Hey guys, it's the IT technician here. So one of the employees is complaining about the mouse, the Logitech MX Master, and he's complaining about the battery. He says it's dropped down to below 10% after it's 100% and fully charged. After releasing the charger for 3 or 5 to 5 minutes, it's quickly dropped down and pop up the message of warning, the mouse is running low battery. And that's the issue. So he's been using it for like 2 or 3 years now. That's it. So let's fix it. So this is the next step. After you get inside the mouse, you need to replace the battery with a new one. I already have the new one purchased from Amazon a few days ago. But before we do anything, remember, in every electronic device that includes battery inside, you need to disconnect the battery before you do anything. So before reassembling everything, I've noticed some rubbish here. So let's get this clean before we do anything. So everything works fine now, and every button seems to be working fine, and the new battery seems to be fully charged, and everything's okay. But here's an important tip, guys. When you remove these things, you need to remove it with something really sharp like this, so you can then save the double face adhesive under this thing, so you can easily reassemble it in its place and it stick really well like this. Okay, so I finished this now, and I think it needs some more cleaning, everything, and then it's gonna work fine, and the employee will come to pick it up. So that's it for today, guys, and if you want to see more videos like this, repairing and fixing everything related to computer, laptops, PCs, servers, networking, and this stuff, I'm working as an IT technician, and I decided to post my repair tasks and fixing issues on YouTube. So I hope you guys like this, and if you want to see more repairs and fixes, I will post like a few videos every week. So maybe you can subscribe for my channel if you like the content, and that might be helpful for you in the future if you want to repair anything or ask about anything. I'm the technician here. Thank you for watching. See you later.